Hello, welcome you all to our new project. Step-by-step tutorial for building a $1 million online business in 60 days or less. So how we are going to go about this? We're going to divide our goals into smallest steps as small as possible. Like, for example, we'll go so small that there will be no doubts left. Drinking water could be divided into taking a glass, filling it with water from tap or bottle, then lifting the glass to drink the water. It's as simple as it looks. We are dividing goals into smallest steps as possible. One more example. This is what we are going to do. $1 million online business is divided into 10 steps. Idea finding, business model figuring out, building the minimum viable product, creating a list of 50 potential customers, speak with 50 potential customers to get their review or feedback, and then you are going to add screenshots of the products or services in your website. You're going to invite 1,000 people to participate in a beta launch. You're going to create the product and you will test everything with complete setup of backend. You will at least get 200 customers if the price point is right, product is good, out of 1,000 at launch. Enjoy. Now you have $1 million company. So what we are going to be obsessing about throughout our journey, we will be obsessing about key performing indexes. We'll track progress of each small step. We'll celebrate victory. We'll be focused and keep moving. We'll be motivated always. Use feedback from users and customers and keep improving. As we said, relationships management is the success. Everybody has talent, right? Success is about talent multiplied by relationships. It could be relationship with your suppliers, customers, team members are important. And you might have known this that 66% of startups fail because of team issues. So if you're good at maintaining relationships, you're one among the top one third of the startups. Let's look at how we are going to design Freedom Business Millionaire model. Module 1, idea finding, which itself worth 1,000 rupees. Module 2, business model figuring out. We'll go into detail of every step of it, which is worth 2,500 rupees. Techniques to build minimum viable product. You'll be taught A to Z of how to build a minimum viable product worth 5,000 rupees. You'll be taught how to find 50 potential customers who are eager to test your product worth 8,000 rupees. You will be taught how to interview potential customers so that they don't feel you're selling them something. They feel that you're teaching them something, you're helping them something worth 2,000 rupees. You'll be taught how to create a WordPress website with a track to landing page just sure to convert worth 3,500 rupees. You'll be taught how to invite at least 1,000 people to participate in a beta launch. It includes both offline graphic boards and ASD method worth 2,500 rupees. We thought how to create the product, whether it's online or offline, worth 5,000 rupees. And you will be taught an easy method to test everything with complete set of backend, worth 6,000 rupees. Get at least 2,200 customers to buy your product by influencing methods, which is itself worth 5,000 rupees. And now you are $1 million company. How to move to become a $10 million company? There are again series of steps which will be taught to you, which itself worth 10,000 rupees. So the total module price of Freedom Millionaire business model is 50,500 rupees. But just for today, if you buy it today, it is available for 3,999 rupees. Thanks.